LR Academy for Competitive Exams welcomes all its subscribers, viewers, and aspirants of UPSC, civil services, railway exams, state public service commission exams, TET, CTET, TRB, NEET, police commissions, and many more competitive exam aspirants. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe and support and motivate us. Here we present the post 3 scripts of LR Academy for competitive exams. As you are aware, dear viewers, every week LR Academy posts 30 multiple choice questions with answers on the topic of general knowledge and current events and chemistry. The breakup is 15 multiple choice question, that is MCQs from current events and GK, and 15 multiple choice questions from chemistry. All the best to all viewers, aspirants, and subscribers. Kindly subscribe if not yet. Thank you. Now we move to the content. Question number 1. According to 2011 census in India, how much percentage of people were involved in agriculture? According to 2011 census in India, how much percentage of people were involved in agriculture? Option A 42.1, option B 44.1, option C 46.1, option D 40.1. The right answer is option A 42.1. Question number 2. As per Jan Lokpal Bill, the charges on the corrupted person should be examined within. As per Jan Lokpal Bill, the charges on the corrupted person should be examined within. Option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 2 years, option D none of this. The right answer is option B 1 year. Question number 3. Who was elected as the Prime Minister of New Zealand in the latest 2020 general elections? Who was elected as the Prime Minister of New Zealand in the latest 2020 general elections? Option A John Victor, option B Judith Collins, option C Jacinta Ardern, option D James Shaw. The right answer is option C Jacinta Ardern. Question number 4. Identify the wrongly matched option. Option A Kapil Dev, India. Option B Arjuna Ranatunga, Sri Lanka. Option C Imran Khan, Pakistan. Option D Ricky Ponting, Australia. All these captains have won the World Cup for their respective country first. Kapil Dev in 1983, Arjuna Ranatunga in 1996, Imran Khan in 1992. The wrong option is option D. It is not Ricky Ponting. It is Alan Border for Australia in the year 1987. Question number 5. Which university or institute granted doctorate status to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for his work on problems of rupees? I repeat, which university or institute granted doctorate status to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for his work on problems of rupees? Option A Reserve Bank of India, option B Columbia University, option C Elphinstone University, option D London School of Economics. The right answer is option D London School of Economics. Question number 6. Endoscopy, a technique used to explore the stomach and inner parts of the body, is based on the phenomenon of. Endoscopy, a technique used to explore the stomach and other inner parts of the body, is based on the phenomenon of A. Total internal reflection, B. Interference, C. Diffraction, D. Polarization. The right answer is option A. Total internal reflection. Question number 7. Conditional response theory was put forward by, I repeat, conditional response theory was put forward by option A. Thorndike, option B. Pavlov, option C. Junk, option D. McDougall. The right option is option B. Pavlov. Question number 8. Human adult heart weight in grams is, I repeat, human adult heart weight in grams is option A 260 to 300, option B 320 to 400, option C 150 to 200, option D none of this. The right answer is option A 260 to 300 grams. Question number 9. Identify the non-correct option. Option A New Zealand, Wellington, option B Sweden, Stockholm, option C Cuba, Havana, option D Oman, Abu Dhabi. Identify the non-correct option. The option D is non-correct. For Oman, the capital is Muscat and not Abu Dhabi. Question number 10. Eco mark is given to the Indian products that are. Eco mark is given to the Indian products that are option A pure and unadulterated, B rich in protein, C environmentally friendly, D economically viable. The right answer is option C environmentally friendly. Question number 11. Who is best remembered as the pioneer of economic nationalism? Who is best remembered as the pioneer of economic nationalism? Option A Bipin Chandra Pal, option B Gopala Krishna Gokhale, option C R.C. Dutt, option D Madan Mohan Malaviya. The right answer is option B Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Question number 12. Who was the advocate at the famous INA trials? I repeat, who was the advocate at the famous INA trials? Option A Asaf Ali, option B Bhulabhai Desai, option C Subhash Chandra Bose, option D C Rajagopalachari. I repeat the options: Asaf Ali, Bhulabhai Desai, Subhash Chandra Bose, C Rajagopalachari. The right answer is Bhulabhai Desai, option B. Question number 13. The study of the muscle is called as osteology, B arthology, C mycology, D neurology. The study of the muscle is called as option C mycology. Question number 14. The Booker Prize winning fiction in the year 1997 written by Arundhati Roy was option A God of Small Things, B God of Little Things, C God of Invisible Things, D none of this. The right answer is option A God of Small Things. Question number 15. The last question of the topic GK and current events. The language spoken by most people in the world. The language spoken by most people in the world. Option A Spanish, option B French, option C Tamil, option D Mandarin Chinese. The right answer is option D Mandarin Chinese. Now, GK and current event parts for this post is over. Now we come to the topic general chemistry. In the first post, the topic was basic concepts of chemistry. In the post number 2, the concept was atomic structure. In post number 3, that is in this post, we have taken the questions under the topic periodic classification. The upcoming post, that is post number 5, will look into the topic of metallurgy, and post number 5 will look into the topic of organic chemistry basics. Now, moving to the first question of general chemistry, that is question number 16. The modern periodic table was proposed by option A, Sir Robert Moseley, option B, Sir Henry Rutherford, option C, Sir Newlands, option D, Dmitry Mendeleev. The right answer is the modern periodic table was proposed by Sir Robert Moseley, option A. Question number 17. The modern periodic table proposed by Sir Robert Moseley as option A, 7 periods and 18 groups, option B, 8 periods and 18 groups, option C, 18 periods and 7 groups, option D, 18 periods and 8 groups. The right answer is option A, 7 periods and 18 groups. In modern periodic table, the vertical columns are called groups and the horizontal one are called periods. Yes. Question number 18. Choose the odd one out from the options. Option A, atomic radius, B, ionic radius, C, electron affinity, D, melting point. The odd one is option D, melting point, because there are 5 periodic properties. They are atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, electron negativity. So the first 3 here are the periodic properties, whereas D, melting point, is a physical property. So the odd one is what? Option D, melting point. Question number 19. Which group in the periodic table is known as chalcogen family? Which group in the periodic table is also known as chalcogen family? Option A, halogen group. Option B, noble gases. Option C, oxygen group. Option D, nitrogen group. The right answer is option C, oxygen group, that is group number 16 of the periodic table. Question number 20. Pauling scale of electronegativity is used to predict or calculate what? Pauling scale of electronegativity is used to predict option A, boiling point, option B, melting point, option C, nature of bonding, option D, conductivity. The right answer is option C, nature of bonding. Question number 21. Choose the wrongly matched option. Group 1, alkali metals. Group 2, alkaline earth metals. Group number 3 to 12, F block elements. Group number 13 to 18, P block elements. The wrongly matched option is option C. Group number 3 to 12 is not F block, it is D block, that is the transition elements. Question number 22. Noble gases have dash electron affinity. Noble gases have dash electron affinity. Option A, high. Option B, low. Option C, 0. Option D, very low. The right answer is option C, 0. As noble gases have completely filled outer electronic configuration NS2NP6, it has 0 electron affinity. Question number 23. Among the halogens, the highest electron affinity is exhibited by. Among the halogens, the highest electron affinity is exhibited or shown by option A, chlorine, option B, fluorine, option C, bromine, option D, iodine. The right answer is option A, chlorine. Question number 24. The value of screening constant and nuclear charge can be calculated by using. Again, I repeat, the value of screening constant and nuclear charge can be calculated by using option A, Hund's rule, option B, Slater rule, option C, Pauling scale, option D, Millikan scale. The right answer is Slater rule. Question number 25. The metal having maximum electron affinity is. I repeat, the metal having maximum electron affinity is option A, sodium, option B, calcium, option C, gold, option D, silver. The right answer is option C, gold. Question number 26. Highest ionization potential is exhibited by which alkali metal? Highest ionization potential is exhibited by which alkali metal? Option A, sodium, option B, lithium, option C, potassium, option D, beryllium. The right answer is option B, lithium. Question number 27. Electron affinity of beryllium and nitrogen are found to be. Electron affinity of beryllium and nitrogen are found to be option A, positive, option B, 0, option C, negative, option D, none of this. The right answer is option B, 0. Why? Because beryllium has an atomic number of 4, that is 1s2, 2s2. It is what completely filled in the S subshell. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It has a half-filled outer electronic configuration. Hence, it is what a comparatively stable. Hence, the electron affinity of beryllium and nitrogen are found to be 0. Option B. Question number 28. Ionization potential is lowest for. Ionization potential is lowest for option A, halogens, option B, inert gases, option C, alkaline earth metals, option D, alkali metals. The right answer is option D, alkali metals. Question number 29, the penultimate question. Noble gases exist as single atoms because. Noble gases exist as single atoms because. Option A, very high electron affinity. Option B, electron affinity is 0. Option C, high oxidation potential. Option D, low ionization potential. The right answer is option B, electron affinity is 0. Question number 30. The correct order of decreasing ionization potential of atomic orbitals is. The correct order of decreasing ionization potential of atomic orbitals is option A, S greater than P greater than D greater than F. Option B, S less than P less than D less than F. Option C, S equal to P which is greater than D which is equal to F. Option D, none of this. The right answer is the correct order of decreasing ionization potential of atomic orbitals is S orbital is greater than P orbital, which is greater than D orbital, which is greater than F orbital. So, we have come to the conclusion of this post 30 questions. LR Academy for competitive exams. Thank you all for viewing this post, for all subscribers, viewers and aspirants. Next post will be within a week. Kindly do subscribe and motivate and support us. Until then, take care and be happy. Thank you.